Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome back, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvetlox with another wonderful, awesome video for you today. Now, if you're suffering from high blood pressure and you're on medication or just suffering from high blood pressure, this drink is wonderful. Now, I'm going to have a series of different types of drinks for you to mix that's going to help you to lower your blood pressure, okay? So while you're on your medication, this is going to help you calm you down, regulate your blood levels. It's going to bring it down. Not to mention, it's not only going to help you with your blood pressure, but if you are also on a weight loss journey, these are awesome drinks that's going to help you as well. You heard? Help you as well. So you can also lose weight on this as well if you use it as a weight loss drink. So it serves two purposes, okay? Now, what you're going to need for this is beets. Now, I know some of you may not be fans of beets. I was not a fan at one time too, but these are natural ingredients straight from the earth that's going to help you instead of going out there staying on those cosmetic synthetic medications that's brewed up inside the labs. You don't need that. Let's get healed naturally, okay? So you're going to need a regular size small beet. You're also going to need 3 oranges. Okay, I de-skinned them. All right, took the peel off of them and cut them in pieces. Now you're also going to need a handful of your spinach, freshly washed spinach, okay? Spinach is very healthy for you, especially if you're on a journey. Now what I like to do as well, what you're also going to need as well is from the beets, we're going to be using the stalks. So don't throw those away because they serve a purpose on this, okay? These are also good to use, so we always throw these out. So no, not today. We're not throwing them out today. You're also going to need a blender. So if you have a full-size blender, but I'm going to be using my NutriBullet, okay? So if you're using a regular size blender, what you're going to need to do in between is blend down your ingredients just so that you're able to fit it into your blender cup. Now what I'm going to start off doing is breaking or cutting my beet stalks. Okay. Okay, so we're going to cut these into little pieces and get those inside of our blender cup. Okay. Throw those in there. Next, we're going to take our beet and we're going to cut those into pieces as well. Now, these are fast and easy remedies. Doesn't take much time at all to make. Now, beets will stain your surfaces, so be very careful. But it is it will wash out. And they also spring lots of water. So it's really good as a base vegetable because it gives off a lot of juice. Okay, so in the meantime, what I'm going to do is also put in my oranges, at least some of them in this, and start blending down some of these ingredients, okay? So let's start blending. We popped everything into our blender. Okay. Now if this becomes too thick, you can add in a little bit of coconut water or water to help loosen it up a little bit more. So let's finish putting the rest of our stuff inside of our cup. Okay, and we also have our freshly washed spinach. Now something tells me this is definitely going to be a little bit too much to blend all at once, so we may need to add in a little bit of our coconut water. So I'll be right back. Okay, so you can add in a half a cup to a cup of your water or coconut water. So I'm just going to put that in there. And this way it helps with the blades. Okay. It's going to come out kind of thick. Perfect. Oh yes, perfect. Now you're going to need a nice size mug to fit all of this. And I'm going to pour this in. Wonderful. This is a wonderful smoothie type of drink that you can drink. Okay, so pop your straw in there. Enjoy. All right, so let's try this out right now. Delicious. Really refreshing, delicious. You can also, being it is such a big amount, this is about a liter's worth. Okay, you're going to be making about a liter's worth, so you can sip this, have it as a meal replacement in the morning. Okay, you can have it as a meal replacement in the afternoon, evening, whichever time of the day you choose. And this is good. It's full of antioxidants, full of fiber, and it's calming. It's going to bring your blood pressure down, okay? It's going to help to stabilize that blood pressure. So this is a wonderful drink that you can blend that is good for those who have high blood pressure problems. And you can also use this as a weight loss drink because you can lose weight as a meal replacement. Okay, drinking this as a meal replacement. It's full of fiber, antioxidants, it's full of it all right? So I have more wonderful blood pressure juices coming your way that you can also use as meal replacements or as weight loss drinks, okay? So thank you so much for joining me on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, and when you hit the notification bell, select all. YouTube has changed their notification bell settings, so when you do, select all, okay? And share these videos with your friends and families who are also having the same ailments in their body and would like a healthier alternative to lower their blood pressure instead of those other sweet drinks or other type of juices out there in the market, okay? So let's heal our body naturally, you guys, all right, with these wonderful, delicious drinks. And I got more coming your way. So don't forget to thumbs these videos up. And until the next video, you guys, I will see you then.
Fam, where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.